Hello all, Alexander Bimo here, and today I will teach you how to make your smartphone as a computer webcam. What? You say make my smartphone as webcam? Yes, you can do this. If you don't have money to buy a webcam, why don't you use a smartphone as your webcam? Okay, you must watch me do this. There are so many applications to make your smartphone as a webcam. But in this tutorial, I will use Droid Cam because I also use this. Hehehe. Before you start, you must prepare a smartphone, mini tripod, USB cable, and computer or laptop. And make sure you activate USB debugging in the developer setting. To activate the developer setting, go to About Phone and find version number and tap 10 times until the developer setting is activated. Haha, I already activated this feature. Okay, I have all these tools. What's next? Okay, let's go to the first step. First, pick up your phone and go to Play Store to download Droid Cam. If it has downloaded, go to your computer and type www.dev47apps.com to download and install the Droid Cam client. After that, plug your smartphone to computer via USB cable and go to Droid Cam in your computer. And don't forget to open Droid Cam in your smartphone. Actually, you can use Wi-Fi to connect to your smartphone. But I recommend using USB cable because if your Wi-Fi connection is unstable, the quality of your camera is bad. In your computer, Droid Cam will appear a connect window. Select connect over USB and click refresh. When your smartphone needs your permission, select permission. If your smartphone was detected, click start and your webcam is ready. Don't forget to use your tripod to put your smartphone. When your webcam is ready, you can use to meet with your friend, your teacher, or your girlfriend with Zoom or Google Meet. Don't forget to set your camera to Droid Cam source. Okay, I think enough. Don't forget to try it yourself and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye!